hard. It's thundering, and I literally just got jump scared. And those are like not even allowed compared to some of the other ones. This guy is a freaking chimney. Idiot. Freaking chimney. Maybe positive. His roof is tilted so it's flooding. Oh wait, I'm watching a movie. Yeah, I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a movie. But, dude, it's raining so freaking hard. The rain is going this way off the roof, even though it's tilted. It's crazy. It's raining so hard. There's one. It's freaking raining so damn hard. There's another one. Oh my god! It's raining so hard! Oh my! Oh god, I saw it! Oh my god! Sad on the building. And I have popcorn. I can't see it, but oh, I just got loud. I already cut, like on the perfect time. Like the movie is happening in real life, because right now it's thundering in the movie. It's thundering in real life. But it's still thundering. A dog is scared. We have a little baby one that's not scared of me. He's not a baby. He's a Chihuahua dog mix. Pretty dog mix. And like the big one, the giant pit bull, is like scared of it. So this is freaking crazy, man. I haven't seen this in like a long time. This bad thunder. This guy's roof is freaking tilted. Right there, his roof is indent and he has a chimney. So like it's like all in that big giant crater. I'm only going to turn the camera back on when it thunders. Oh no, I have one on my phone. You can record on the phone.
Where's your phone?
It's so fucking great. This guy is damn. I freaking see it. It's mine happened like just over there. So. Wait, is that not chimney? Not chimney. We don't have chimney. Wait, we might have fake chimney, but like, come on, man, that's. That place is so wet. Oh, I saw it again. I saw another one that was up there. I'm just gonna keep the camera out, just in case anything happens. Like I'm not even watching the movie. What is it? Oh my god! Whoa! I'm gonna keep my face this way so you guys might see this. Griffin! Griffin! Griffin just doesn't care. This guy's balcony is going to be so soaked. Oh, that's a roof for the elephant. Go outside and smoke a cigarette now. Don't know I said that. I'm sworn this here because I want to catch thunder. That's, geez, that crater has gotten big. There you go. I fucking missed it. One time, move the camera. I keep getting lightning. Every time I move the camera, it's freaking lightning. It's always like over there. You can film it.
Over there?
Yeah, it's like all the way, it's like over there.
Over here like this?
Yes, like it always happens right by there. And
what is it hitting all the way down there?
I don't know. People that get charged by lightning, like.
Why is your camera brighter than mine?
Because this is newer than that. That's really old.
True. Angry sky.
There you go.
Whoa.
Now you're blocking like all my view.
No, I'm not.
Like that fell.
Ooh.
Did you see it?
I saw a flash.
Yeah. One time I actually saw one that was like a millisecond long. I'm like, what?
Milliseconds really short.
I know it, but I actually saw what
The zippy zap. Ooh, flash. I don't know if the camera got it, but ooh.
Oh, I saw that one.
I saw it. Oh my god.
At least we have the camera. Mine catched it. You can
Catched.
If I
Caught.
post it on my YouTube channel, then you can watch it in slow motion.
Ooh. There was a
Did that
flash.
happen?
There was a flash, but like over here.
But you can watch mine in super slow motion so you guys can see it.
Yeah, you can also watch mine.
You don't have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I do.
Technically, everyone does.
Ooh. I have one video of it snowing last year. It's kind of boring right now, but it's probably gonna happen.
Mine is 9 minutes long.
I don't know how long mine is, but I've been moving throughout the house.
Have
Oh,
yours?
there's a flash up there.
Look, you can see yours right in that corner. You've been recording for 2 minutes.
Oh, I can. Okay.
Oh, I'm getting so tired holding this.
Yeah. Ooh. Saw a flash.
Oh, I saw that.
Whoa, whoa.
Keep doing
Clouds are really dark.
I'm just watching a movie,
Oh,
man.
there's a fly.
It's not gonna
I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but yeah, there's lightning.
You want me to end mine? Man, I'm probably gonna end my man. Like freaking. Probably start another one. I'm just like wondering what it would be like having like that damn chimney. What the? This guy's roof is flooded. Oh, it's not raining! It stopped! No! It's blinking.